And this is the moon, the real moon. And look what's on the right side. It's a gigantic monument and a structure that is a quarter of the size of the moon sticking out into space. And it has this gigantic reptilian faces carved in it, on it, to it. Oh my God, this is amazing. How can this, that's what this is. Like I said, this is a reptilian solar system. There's no getting around this. All those pipes and tubes are conduits. They're connections to that realm, whatever that is. So and I see faces everywhere. I mean, the same reptile faces all over the place. Dinosaur like that one right there. I mean, they overlap each other, where you can see the same malevolent looking faces, eyes. All those white dots are not stars. Those are energy blobs that look like eyes. And those are what they are. There are million faces, trillion faces there. If you study each one of them, they have twins, they're all twins. Quadruples. But they all are part of faces, the eyes of faces. And that's the same thing, that's the electromagnetic realm. That's how those entities move in and out. So essentially, we are in a prison solar system practically. No one comes in here without their permission. And just to give you a hint, look at the pair of eyes on the moon itself. Right eye, left eye. Left eye, right eye. Left eye, right eye. The moon itself is filled with eyes and faces. NASA and the military-industrial complex knows this, and they had to come to negotiate with this entity for them to develop anti-gravity craft that can get the heck out of this solar system and move around, because this entity controls the entire galaxy practically. I've seen the same exact thing on pictures of galaxies. That's my next project, but you can see this dark and a chunk of the moon missing. It's not missing, it's just covered by this gigantic monument. So when you think about the Apollo, how they approached the moon and all that, then you start thinking that it couldn't be the way they say it was. In fact, I don't even think they ever went to that moon with that kind of vehicle. Nah. It was a whole fake crap. Look at this pair of eyes, huge face right here. I mean, it's, once you start studying this image, and I'm gonna make it brighter because it's dark, but when you make it brighter, oh my God, you can see face after face after face. Those twin dots, white dots, are eyes, and the black pattern between them is the pupil of the eyes, and that makes a face, a reptile looking face. People can pray all they want. They have no idea that this entity are intertwined in our existence from the beginning. And I don't think these are the Sumerian and the Anunnaki deals, because the Anunnaki didn't have the kind of knowledge that you require to have to create something like this. According to the translation, maybe the translation are just a part of the bigger story or something. But I don't think this is 500,000 years old deal. This is, I mean, you're talking billions of years. And this moon doesn't have anything to do with Earth composition. The mineral composition here is all being showered on it. The real moon is made out of titanium, 12%. And some of the rocks that were brought by whoever was up there were just too old to be part of this universe. Some of them were the regolith, the moon regolith, and others were thought to be over 20 billion years old. 20 billions. When the scientists here, well, that's the story they're telling us, that the universe is almost 14 billion years old. So the truth has been twisted around so much. Like Boyd Bushman said, that they found out that the formulas used by Einstein were tampered with and they were incorrect. And when they, like the unified field theory, they found out that the formulas were somehow incorrect. They got the wrong thing, so they corrected it and they were able to obtain the right formula, which led to anti-gravity, the other forces, and a bunch of stuff. We don't know nothing. I had the book by William Burroughs, This New Ocean. I just got it and I'm gonna start reading it soon because I'm reading another book. But between this work and reading, it's just, you don't have much time. But this structure here is like this big. It's not just that little chunk right here. This thing I can see that it wraps around the whole moon. It's like a long snake. It wraps all around. Then you have these tubes. Oh my goodness. And that main big tube that gets into that structure. Look at the face of that big, it's like several faces on this. 2 eyes, but then there's another set of eyes. It's just incredible how NASA and their mafia assholes and secret assets have been bullshitting us for forever. Practically for the past 70, 80, 90, 100, who knows how far back the lie is. It probably had to do with the